let's start the unboxing of Louis Vuitton wallet. So this is the carry bag that they give.
Okay.
And there are two contents. One is the wallet and the other one, it is the bill. Do I need to show it? It's just like this.
Okay.
This thing is awesome, yeah. Give me a moment. Okay. So here it is, a message card, and it is gift wrapped already. So a message card. Oh damn, there is one more on more. This is a message card where you can write a message for the one that you're giving present to. I'll put it shit. So here comes a LV wallet. This is LV Amerigo. And you can also get it personalized by getting your names or your initials engraved here. Sorry, nice sign here. So these are all the contents of this Louis Vuitton. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe.